Mystery Video Friday features archive footage from May 2019. We had an issue with our microphones resulting in poor sound, which resulted in us never posting this footage. I'm going to make my husband his very own Like It or Not t-shirt. We took our designed logo and put it into Cricut Design Space and made a shirt! Let your Cricut do the work for you. The moment I realized I forgot to mirror my project. Close, but no cigar. This tool is the Cricut Brayer. I now have to recut both elements. This is one of the few pieces of video that actually had sounds. You see what I mean by the reds?
Kind of tinted the plastic.
Yep. So I'm hoping that that doesn't tint the, I'm hoping that does not tint the white. Since I was layering on top of this, I simply just needed to tack the white circle down with a little bit of heat. I use Teflon sheets to protect my Cricut iron-on. I did not yet have my Cricut Easy Press Mini, so it was my 12x10 Cricut Easy Press 2 to the rescue. I followed the Cricut Easy Press Heat guide for my time and temperature. It comes in real handy. Let's finish up this project, shall we? What do you think? Give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down? But you know we prefer the thumbs up. Hey honey, guess what I got? Guess what I made you?
A shirt?
Your very own t-shirt!
As long as you ain't got one just like it, we're okay.
It's purple.
We have merch!
Bloopers!
Purple nurple.
No, I would, if I had a yellow one, I'd be like, so you're saying I shouldn't make me one in pink?
Pink is a different color. It ain't the same shirt. I'm okay with that.
Because we're not that couple.
We're not that couple. We're not the bowling alley couple.
Well, we are, but
We're not that bowling alley couple.